Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.24 for films, but momentum is down, minus 0.44. This divergence is unusual. It indicates that while overall sentiment is positive, the enthusiasm is waning significantly in the last 24 hours. When you query our API, it returns structured insights like sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, which help you understand the emotional landscape of film discussions. This kind of nuanced data can be invaluable for developing targeted marketing campaigns or adjusting content strategies based on real-time audience reactions. To dive deeper and leverage these insights for your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.